Hello, it's me again, still in Terry's yard. I'm going to give you a walk through now and show him what bits he's got hanging around and see if you like any of it, and if you want to buy anything, comment below and I'll put you in touch with Terry. But we'll start off up this end of the yard anyway, but let's have a go. We've got a box here, transport box, towels, transport box, in very good condition. Just leaning against the tree at the moment. Nice little bit, little towel transport box. We'll walk up his yard and see what he's got. He's got some nice little bits, and show you what he's got. He's got a set of harrows here by the looks of things. Nice set of harrow, folding harrows. It's a lovely day in Kent, as you can see. All in good condition. A little bit of work needing to them, not too bad. Buckets by the gross. An old cultivator. More buckets. More buckets. Oh, and over here we have a lovely Ransom plough. 3-furrow reversible. Looks like to be all in good condition. The discs all turn nicely. It's a 3-furrow reversible. It's a Ransom, as you can see. It's all there. It's all in reasonably good condition as well. By the looks of things. A bit dirtier because we had it in the field last week. Just make certain it all works, and it all works lovely. The boards in reasonable condition. Fair bit of meat on them. It's a bit grubby, needs a little bit of work. Like I say, once again, if you like the video and comment below with any information, would be fantastic. And get in touch with Terry if you're interested.
Yeah, bro,
oh, we got a set of discs. Nice set of discs. Old discs, Massey Ferguson's 28s, whatever that means. I'm sure you people out there will know what it means. This is for sale as well, with the saw bench behind. He's had the blade on the saw bench all resharpened, so I'm sure someone would like the saw bench. I think it's some McCulloch. Let's have a look round. There we are. There you go. Let's say it's got the blade for it, all in working condition. Give him a chance. Oh, there's an old Greens radiator. That's an oldie. Let's go to one of the sheds. Oh, that's better. In the warm. And we've got a machine here, an old Lister engine. It's doing it up at the moment, old Terry's Lister. I believe you put the water in the top for coolant. He's got the bits and bobs there, the spares for it, which he will finish doing up, I presume. He's got a chap that does things up for himself. He's got the original clippers as well. Let me show you the original clippers. There you go. All the clippers in the original Lister box vacuum clippers. I'm sure you people out there will know more about it than me. It's got a tag on there. There's one more thing down there. It's got the original badge on there. If you can see it. Vacuum pressure gauge, whistle. Anyway, with that, we're in the warm. It's nice. Not too bad now. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. The subscribe button's down there, and there'll be a couple of videos up there. If you're interested in anything at all, leave a comment and I'll put you in touch with Terry. He doesn't want to put his number on the YouTube, obviously. He doesn't want to appear on YouTube, but that's fine. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Come back and see me again. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Cheerio.